This sheetrock has a couple of nails, and it went past the wall. So what these sheetrock people did first is they put the wall up, or the ceiling up, and then they put the wall up underneath there. That's pretty much how you do sheetrock when you're installing it. So you do the ceiling first and the wall. So you have to remember, this is what's going on, is that when you do a ceiling repair, especially in the corner like this, there's going to be some obstacles. So now I need to get a pair of pliers to pull these two nails out.